So I'm getting a problem with the P1S printer. The filament appeared to be stuck or something's not working. So step one we're gonna do is we will try to move the hot end towards the front of the printer so we can reach it easier. And now to take off the hot end, this is just a magnetic cover. You can take it off like this. And the next step would be we're gonna remove the two screws here using an Allen key. You can use the included super long Allen key from your printer. Once you have the screw removed, you just need to gently pull it down like this. As you can see, I do have a piece of clogged filament inside my hot end. It looks like it's a two-color fusion. Now I need to figure out the way to get them out. Now we want to remove the two connectors connecting the hot end. First, you can take off the cover connector first, which is the top one. This is the cover connector. You can take it off and you can remove the cover. And then the second connector for the hot end, and then the final connector. And you just need to remove the wire from this clip here and take it out. The next thing I'm doing is I'm trying to remove this PFT tube. To do that, you want to push down this whole black retainer thing. You push it down, and then the PFT tube will come out. When I pulled out my PFT tube, I saw I have a piece of filament that's actually broken inside. You can see in the camera here. Right here, just pull it out. So the next step I'm trying to do is I'm gonna put the hot end back because this piece of filament is stuck pretty bad. So I'll try to do a cold pull. I'm gonna heat up the hot end and then try to push a piece of filament. See if I can push those plastic out. Now I have the hot end back. I'm going to heat up the hot end to 220. And then I'm going to put a piece of filament through the extruder here. So hopefully I can push out that clogged nozzle. Looks like it's working. What I did here is actually wrong. You should not have to manually force down the filament by hand. Instead, you can use the control panel to electronically drive the extruder gear to drive the filament down. In that way, you won't have to manually push down the filament. Oh, freak. So I broke this piece. I think now I'm going to set the temperature down. Possibly I can do a cold pull. As you can see, I think the thing that came out was kind of like black color. It's like a mixture of PETG possibly and ASA. To clear the nozzle, you want to set up your... First you have to remove the PFT tube like I said before. And now you want to set your hot end to let's say 230, 240. Wait for it to heat up. And then you want to take a filament piece, cut it into a 45 so it's easier to insert. Just wait until this heats up. Now it's good. And you want to push your filament into the extruder. Push it in. And now you go to your extruder settings. Here, go to extruder, and then you press down to extrude. Keep going down, and then you're gonna start seeing filament coming out from the nozzle. I hope this video helps you clear your blockage on your Bambu 3D printer. If you find this kind of content useful, please subscribe and give me a like. I really appreciate it.